In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set an alarm on Slack. If you've ever found yourself needing a gentle reminder or a timely nudge in the midst of a busy workday, you're in the right place. Let's dive into how you can use Slack to easily set up an alarm or reminder, ensuring you never miss an important task again. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Slack's website and head over to the section aptly named AI Work Management and Productivity Tools. It's your first step toward harnessing Slack's capability to seamlessly integrate reminders into your work routine. Once there, you'll need to sign in. For many of us, signing in with Google is the easiest option, and fortunately Slack offers this functionality. Simply click on Sign in with Google, and you'll be prompted to select your account. Enter your credentials, and you'll be ushered straight into your Slack workspace. With access granted, the next destination is the Slack dashboard. Here you'll find a central hub of all your communications, channels, and messages. If you're not automatically directed there, you can easily find it by locating the dashboard link once you're logged in. Take a moment to familiarize yourself if you're new to Slack. This will be your command center for setting your alarm. Next, you'll want to navigate to the particular channel where you want the reminder to appear. This could be a group channel or even a direct message thread with yourself, whichever suits your needs. Simply click on the channel name to open it. This is an important step because reminders in Slack are contextual, meaning they're tied to specific conversations. Once inside the desired channel, you're ready to set the alarm using the remind command. This is the real magic of using Slack for reminders. In the message input box, you'll type "I'll remind," followed by the specific details of your reminder. This sounds like "you remind me to check the report at 4 p.m. or "what remind the team about the deadline tomorrow at 10 a.m. Slack recognizes the natural language you enter, making this a powerful tool for keeping on top of appointments and tasks. Congratulations, you're all set. By following these simple steps, you've learned how to leverage Slack not just as a messaging tool, but as your personal reminder system. Whether it's for individual tasks or team-wide alerts, using Slack to remind you will keep your workflow smooth and timely. So go ahead, give it a try, and experience this helpful feature firsthand. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of your Slack experience.